Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit oval eyelets with a hand tool set. So here I have some faux leather and I have some 15mm oval eyelets. Your hand tool set comes in three different parts. You have your cutter, which looks like this. You have your anvil, which is going to hold your main part of the eyelet with the shaft, and then you have your fixing tool here, which is going to fold over the two flaps and squash down on top of the washer. So I'm going to take the faux leather and we're going to punch a hole by bashing it through the material here. Take out any excess. We can now take the eyelet. So this is the eyelet here. You can see there's a flap either side. These are going to get folded over. So we're going to push this through our material like so. So it pokes out on the other end. It's going to sit like that. I'll take my washer, which is going to be this bit here, and that pushes over the top, so you have something looking like that. We can place this on the anvil, it will sit nice and snug. I can take our fixing tool, place that in between the two flaps on either side, and then we'll hammer this down into place. Those flaps are now all bent over, and then there you have your eyelet opening on the front.